Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and OneRepublic. New song called Sunshine here. And this one is a very happy, sunshiny song here. Only 4 chords, so pretty easy to play and handle. These 4 chords are gonna go like the same through the entire song here. So that's great. Let's start with capo here on the 3rd fret to have the easiest chord possible. So let's start with E minor. We have open E here, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then comes B minor. So you bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, so only 5 strings from the bottom up. So that will be on the 2nd fret, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's B minor. Then we have D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So those are the 4 chords, and they will go in this order through the entire song. E minor, B minor, D, and A. Okay, so let's start with the strumming pattern that will work for this entire song here. So that will be down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up. So if we have this E minor, that's the 1st chord. We can illustrate this strumming with this E minor. So down, up, down, up, up. That is one strumming round. Down, up, down, up, up. And then you shift chord. You're gonna play 1 strumming round for each chord. So if we play this in a context here with the 4 chords, it will sound like this. Down, up, down, up, yeah. Up, down, 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 up. Yeah. So down, up, down, up. So that's the strumming. And yeah, that pretty much works for this entire song. And we have this melody here, which we could build into the strumming. And this melody is played on 3 different places, and that is in the post-choruses. And that is where he sings a little bit of sunshine. And this melody will come in the song, if we look at the song here. 55 seconds into the song comes the post-chorus. And then it comes back for a 2nd time at 1 minute and 50 seconds about. And then 3rd and final time it will come back at 2 minutes and 25 seconds into the song here. And you will play 2 rounds of this melody that I'm gonna show you pretty soon now. So 2 rounds for each time there, each of these 3 times. So 2 rounds of those. And they are built upon the chords, or you can say you're gonna play the same melody for each and every chord except for the last chord, except from the A there. Okay, so the melody, just the notes are these. Okay, it will play that melody for E minor, B minor, and D. So how do we play it? Yeah, the notes are on the B string. So open, open. So 2 times you play open B string. Then 2nd fret G string, then back to open B, then 3rd B, and open B. So open B, 2nd G, open B, 3rd B, open B. So if we play them with the chords here, I can just play the picking here for each chord. So E minor, then B minor, then D, And then the final chord A, the melody sounds like this. Okay, and that is open B string, then second G, then back to open B, then open E, and third B. So with A it will be so the melody here. Alright, but this is boring to play just like I just did here with the picking. So you want to put this into the strumming. And how do you do that? Yeah, you can do it in different ways, and this is very hard to like, yeah, hit every note correctly for this one, especially when it's for strumming here. But like I used to say, if you just hit half of the notes, it's better than nothing, and it will give you some extra touch to this song when you play this post choruses. So what I would do, the easiest way, is to actually get away from this strumming pattern we just learned for the song and just play for downs on all these, and that will be 8 downs for each chord. So if I'm gonna play that slowly for you, you can see and perhaps understand what I mean by that. So 8 downs for each chord. Let's say we're gonna play this E minor part. It will be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is only 6 notes, but you can add in 2 more extra just on the hammer. So if you count there, it's maybe hard to count that fast, but I played 8 times for that chord, and then I'm gonna shift to the B minor and play the same there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. All right. Then you shift. All right. And for B minor, that is a bit special here, because this open B string we have here in this melody here, this note I need to hit on the 4th fret G string, since we are holding a bar chord here, and we're not gonna work with this to release everything to just get the open B string. So we're gonna hit this same note, which you find here on the 4th fret G string. Open B, 4th fret G, okay, it's the same note there. And that is the note which is built into the chord, which is like this. So this is the note here with my little pinky arm grab here with the B minor chord. So that's why I work with this note instead. So it will be 4th fret G, and then I'm gonna release it to get the 2nd fret on the G string, which we have in the melody, and I'm gonna get back to this 4th fret G string, and then 3rd fret B, and back to 4th fret G. So this B minor chord is a bit special here when it comes to this melody, and then you're gonna go back again when you're playing the D chord here. So it's hard to exactly tell you how to work with this. You know the notes now, and you need to kind of find your way of hitting the notes there with the strumming. You could also go with down ups, but that's a little bit more challenging since it could be harder to hit the actual note when you pick up like this. I feel I'm more comfortable to just hit the right note and try to emphasize the right note when I'm downstroking like this. So and then for A comes this other melody. Yeah. So if I'm gonna play this slowly for you and I try to speed up and show you how it could sound, it will sound like this. something like that. Okay, so I perhaps get 80 or 90% of the notes, and that's pretty much all you need here to get this great feeling here in the post-chorus. Yeah, so that pretty much covers this song here, OneRepublic, Sunshine. So good luck with this one and work with these notes. I believe it could be cool to get this right here with this post-chorus melody here. So good luck with that and see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and most of all, play tune.